I absolutely love the slipper chair in this room. I love the colour of the pink, and I love that the skirt just adds a subtle touch of femininity, which is hard to resist. Hi Domain, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and welcome to the mustard room of our Cudgera Creek farmhouse project. These rooms aren't big spaces, so we actually spent a lot of time coming up with an ideal layout. So we were able to fit just a queen size bed and a beautiful dresser, which we found from Facebook Marketplace. So whilst these aren't big spaces, we have the luxury of really high ceilings, which really just goes hand in hand with these 100-year-old homes, and it creates the illusion of space. The other thing that's very effective at creating the illusion of space is mirror. So we made sure we sourced a floor mirror here that would not only act as decoration, but would help bounce some light around, which was important. There was this corner in this room that was calling for a piece of furniture, but it couldn't handle anything too large because it's not a large space. We actually used an IKEA dining chair and just had a really beautiful pink linen slipcover made, which really elevates it, but also helps add just a little pop of contrast in colour. This room's really fortunate to have these beautiful French doors that open out to the front balcony. We've repeated the same window furnishings fabric in here, except we've done it in beautiful drapes that puddle on the floor and feel really opulent and luxurious and heavy, and that's what we wanted. And like in the other room, we've done a Roman blind. The lighting we've used throughout this home is very consistent in each room, although in slightly different styles. For the most part, we've got the lights up on the walls, which means we're not taking up too much horizontal surface space, which I think is important when you've got a small space like this one. The seagrass matting in here adds an element of texture and rusticness that we really love. It's not introducing another colour. We feel like we had enough of that in here already, but it helps anchor the space and it feels very in keeping with the farm setting.